Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Richard Sharpe, the CEO of Competitive Insights. We're an analytics as a service solution provider offering very specific and accurate cost to serve and net landed profit insights for companies to drive initiatives around reducing costs and protecting margins. Today, we're going to talk about a company based out of Chicago that is very similar to many companies that we support. They had a very complex network of distribution centers, warehouses, their own fleet, outside carriers, and a very diverse product line. The global head of supply chain wanted to be able to find ways to reduce costs and complexity by looking at what customers and what products were significantly draining profit. They had the typical environment for systems, SAP, transportation management systems, warehouse management systems, and of course, Excel spreadsheets. Competitive Insights uses a four-step solution process to take that native data from those siloed systems to actually validate it and transform it to create very specific cost to serve and net landed profit insights for every customer, for every product, through every channel. So let's look at the results for one specific channel that had 434 customers. We started by segmenting the customer performance based on placing customers into 20 percentile groupings, based on very profitable performance to very unprofitable performance. Now, we're looking at that. How many customers out of the 434 do you think gave this company 80% of their profit? The answer, 5. 5 customers gave them 80% of their profit. 345 customers were very marginal and draining a lot of resources, and 84 customers were very unprofitable. But we thought we'd do it even in a more simpler way, and we did a second form of segmentation where we said how many customers are giving them 96% of their profit. Want to take a guess? 18. 18 customers gave them 96% of their profit. 332 were very marginal, and 84 again were very unprofitable. So we continued that analysis journey and took that information to be able to look at it geographically. And what we see now is we have a map of the U.S., and the blue dots that you see represent every location for the customers. The size of the bubble represents the actual net revenue contribution for that location. Then we color-coded those dots based on their profit contributions, where green represents very profitable customers, yellow represents those marginal, they're draining all of those resources, and the pink red represent the actual unprofitable customers. The company thought this was, obviously very interesting and very useful. And so they started to look at ways to be able, again, to reduce costs and complexity. They identified 24 different initiatives to do just that. One initiative was reevaluating customer service, obviously looking at the marginal and the unprofitable. When they did that, they dropped $3 million off their expenses immediately, which gave them a 10x ROI on the effort in just 4 months. Not bad. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope this example of having very accurate, specific, repeatable, and trusted information around cost to serve and net landed profit was interesting and useful for you. We look forward to having other sessions showing other examples of how companies have benefited from that kind of information. Take care.